We're all Sonic the Hedgehog fans. Come to our channel and find out how the characters in real life look like. I'm sure it's gonna be so interesting. Right from the beginning is super dope Knuckles with braided red hair and red hoodie and everything. Ooh yeah, Miss Rouge is holding a gorgeous gem on her hand. Amazing how this guy has that giant wrench like that. Shadow it is. Nice choice. Dr. Robotnik is always snobby like that, huh? Despite his power, Sonic still has to wear a mask to protect himself from the virus. Oh wow! I mean, very punky, very rock and roll, Scorch. Oops, the hammer seems so heavy to her, no? Ah, this is a nice girl playing Amy Rose. Are those aqua blue contact lenses real? I don't believe that is real eye color. I say this is very creative way to dress as Rouge. Come on, man. Don't look whatever like that. Shadow must look much better. And that's about it, guys. You had fun, didn't you? Please like the video and subscribe to Warm Up Plus. See you again!